Interactive digital bar screen cleaning video. As time goes by, the screen of our it often gets scratched and dirty. This dirt often brings us a very bad experience. This video teaches you how to clean the screen normally. Next, let me introduce the tools used. This is the cleaning fluid and this is the dust-free cloth. When wiping, wipe from top to bottom and wipe evenly to ensure that every corner is wiped clean. The screen wiped with professional cleaning fluid is like new. At the same time, in order to prevent the stylus from scratching the screen, when writing with the stylus, please keep the pen body and the screen naturally tilted at 30 to 60 degrees and avoid vertical pressing. Do not swipe forcefully horizontally or vertically to avoid damaging the screen coating. Thanks for watching.